Hello everyone, so today we are going to prove that square root of 2 is irrational using the contradiction method. So to start out, first we are going to assume that square root of 2 is rational. We are only going to assume this so that we can disapprove it and then prove it using the contradiction method. So if square root of 2 is rational, then this must mean a square root of 2 equals a over b. It can be written in this form, where a and b are parts of an integer, they're both integers, and b does not equal 0. And I'd also like to point out that these are irreducible, and there are only one common factor between both of them, which is 1 common factor, which is 1, so they are co-prime. So to start out, we are going to square on both sides. Square root cancels square root, so this would be 2 equals a square over b square. Now we are going to take b squared to the other side, so we can multiply by b square by b square. This cancels. I'm not skipping any steps, so it will be as easy as possible. Now if 2b square equals a square, this must mean that a square is even. So we can say that a is even, because a multiply a always equals, a even number multiplied an even number always gives an even number. So a square would be even, so we can write that down as 2k. So we can write it down as 2k square. So let's assume that a was 8. Let's just say it was 8. So 2 times 8, 2 times 4 would give us 8, then it would be 8 squared. So we're just going to assume that 2k squared is even, and we're going to put it over here. So 2b squared equals 2k squared. Now we're just going to distribute it, 4k squared. Now we are going to divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels, 2 and this would be 4 divided by 2, so this would be b square equals 2k square. And now we are back to point 0. So as you can see, replace the a with b, and this also proves that b squared would be equals to 2k squared, which would mean that b is even. And if both a and b are even, then they aren't irreducible. This means there is another common factor which isn't 1, so it would disprove this whole thing. And this means by a contradiction we have proved that square root of 2 is irrational.